One of the stats I love is that if everybody in the UK replaced just one meat-based meal a week with a plant-based meal, it would be the equivalent of taking 16 million cars off the road, which equates to around 50 million tonnes of CO2. I think there's definitely a misconception about plant-based food being bland, being boring, sort of being a whole plate of vegetables. You know, that's what people get in their heads, and we really wanted to change that misconception and create plant-based food that was really exciting and genuinely really tasty. We started out as an office delivery service, so we were delivering our recipe kits to offices in central London. When COVID hit in March 2020, the business was essentially turned on its head. We had to think very quickly about how we could change that. So naturally the sort of home delivery service was the first thought. The Sustainable Innovation Fund allowed us to do a huge amount at that point. We were able to develop our website from being a very basic website to being a hugely more professional outfit, which ultimately allowed us to acquire more customers. With our recipe development, we focus on three things, and that's speed, simplicity, and taste. We have over 100 recipes in our arsenal now. We're developing new recipes all the time. We're not stopping there. We want to allow people to have as much choice and flexibility in how they get grubby. Our aim is to be 100% plastic-free within the next 3 years. And I genuinely believe that is achievable. There's lots of products out there, there's huge amounts of innovation within the sort of green packaging industry, I guess, where we're using FSC certified board for our boxes. All our pods for our spices, our nuts, our seeds are biodegradable, which is a really unique point of difference. And we worked with a series of subcontractors from tech to marketing to co-packing, and the Sustainable Innovation Fund meant that we could develop that packing partnership with a company called Watts Farm. They grow amazing organic fruit and veg across the UK, and they also have a logistics centre down in Kent. So we started to buy our produce from Watts Farm, and then we also started to pack with them. We recently got certified as a B Corp, which basically means that we meet the highest standards of social and environmental performance throughout our business. And this is something we worked really, really hard to achieve. One aspect we're really proud of from an ethical stance is our partnership with One More Child. One More Child are a charity based out in Uganda. They donate school meals to children in poverty, they support them through education, and for every Grubby box that our customers buy, we donate a meal to One More Child. We've already donated 20,000 meals. We're not going to stop there. It's something we're hugely passionate about, and we want to keep giving as we grow. Our mission at Grubby is to make plant-based cooking more accessible without costing the earth. And in the future, we really want to allow people to transition into more plant-based lifestyles and become the world's #1 vegan brand.